Right, so Mars Part 2. Let's bring in the idea of zetas and etheric bodies. And yes, I'm aware of this. I've chronic stuff going on. It lets me know that there's inflammation. It's cool. Deal with my appearance. Here we go. So, Mars is the furthest out of the inner planets that you can get to and still be within that, I want to call it a helix, instinctively, but within that gravitational field or etheric body. So if we picture the sun as the human body, then each orbital path is like another etheric layer. And what's really cool about our solar system is it kind of goes in pairs. There's like a yin-yang of each layer. So we have Venus and Mercury, Earth and Mars, Saturn and Jupiter, Neptune and Uranus, and then we have Pluto and possibly another one out there. So, anyway, okay. I just want to get this out there. Okay. So, if you are outside of your body, you're going to push yourself as far from the sun as possible, using that metaphor. So what running away from your current incarnation to the furthest point that you can indicates is that you can't deal with the harmonic that you incarnated into. It's avoidance behavior, essentially. So the reason that we associate zetas with Mars is actually something that CRISPR is currently working on. And I'm actually going to make a separate video, and I will have to go back and tag it in the comments, because there's a 4-stage plan with CRISPR and other similar companies, but that's the one I'm aware of. Essentially gene editing to make us Martian. And that's why I'm playing with this, reptilian thing, So I don't believe that reptilian people are shapeshifters. I really don't. I just found out that David Icke exists. No, I have not read his work. I don't believe that, because in order to be such a master that you can manipulate matter and other people's perception of it, you need to be a very high-level master. And someone who has gone completely the opposite direction of denial and modifying their bodies and running away to another planet is not going to be someone who can do that. So I just flat out don't believe that the reptilians are shapeshifters. What is happening, based on mythology that I am writing about. I know I always talk about that, and I'm pulled in too many directions at once, but it's Leviathan genetics. It's that genetics to survive mortal wounding and or desert environments were grafted onto people. So that's part of that. All right, I think maybe I should keep going with this next section.